Hi there, this is Abhishek here and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to review this Dizo Trimmer Kit Pro and I will let you know whether you should buy this trimmer or you must ignore it. So without any further delay, let's do the unboxing first. Inside the box, you are going to get one user manual, one Dizo trimmer, three different types of blade. The first blade that you are able to see here, it allows you to trim your beard at different settings. The second blade helps you to do the clean shave. The third blade allows you to trim your nose and ear hair. With this, you are going to get two different size of comb. The small comb allows you to trim your beard from 0.5 mm to 10 mm settings. And the big size comb allows you to trim your beard from 10.5 mm to 20 mm settings. Altogether, you can trim your beard at 40 different settings. With this, you are also going to get one trimmer oil, one carrying pouch. This is a USB type A to USB type C charging cable, and at the end you are also going to get one cleaning brush. So these are all the accessories that you are going to get inside the box of Dizo Trimmer Kit Pro. This is the body of Dizo Trimmer Kit Pro. By the way, the blade is not yet attached. So first of all, let's attach the blade. It is very easy to attach. You can place the blade something like this, and if you slightly push it, the blade is going to lock. It is very easy to fix the blade. If we look at the features, its overall charging time is 3 hours, and once you do the complete charge, you will get max to max 280 minutes of battery backup. This trimmer comes with USB type C charging port, that is really great sign, and it can also be used corded and cordless as well. This trimmer comes with IPX5 water resistant. The entire body can be washed with the help of water. No problem on that. As I have already mentioned you, this trimmer comes with two different combs. So first of all, let me show you how to attach the comb. This is the comb with the lowest setting, that is 0.5 mm to 10 mm comb, and it can be attached something like this. With this, you are also going to get a digital indicator in the trimmer that tells you how much battery is remaining in the trimmer. And at the front hand side, you will get a dialer. With the help of this dialer, you can adjust the setting of this trimmer very easily, something like this. This trimmer also comes with a travel lock feature. If you continuously press the power button for 3 seconds, you can see the trimmer is going to lock. Now, if accidentally you press the power button, the trimmer is not going to get on. If you want to disable the travel lock mode, just simply press the power button for 3 seconds. And as you can see, the travel lock mode has been unlocked. These are the features of this trimmer. Now let's go forward and find out how is its overall performance by live trimming test beard. But before going forward, I would like to let you know this is not a sponsored video. I have purchased this trimmer just to tell you whether you should buy it or you must ignore it. So if you want to support my channel, you can buy the trimmer from the link given in the description section below. If you buy from my link, you will also get it at the best price as well. Now as you can see, my beard has become quite long, so I'm going to trim my beard at 3 mm settings. So let me change the setting from here. And now let's the trim begin. Alright guys, as you can see, finally I have trimmed my beard at 3 mm setting with the help of Dizo trimmer. Let me show you the close-up look. If I tell you my experience, it is average trimming experience. Yes, because the trimmer is not able to trim your beard at absolutely same size. Somewhere the beard become little long, somewhere it became short, and it takes little time to level up the beard. So overall trimming experience, according to me, it is average. Now let's go forward and remove the comb from the blade, and right now I'm going to trim my beard directly with the help of blade. Alright guys, as you can see, finally I have trimmed my beard directly with the help of blade. Now let me tell you the clear and the final verdict about this Dizo trimmer. See, using comb, I believe the trimming experience could be better as it takes little time to shape your beard. In the same time, I have trimmed my beard directly with the help of blade, and here is the final result. If you trim directly with the help of blade, how much clean shape look you are going to get, I believe you must have got the overall idea. I have used the foil saver as well to shape my neckline and all, and it easily clean shave your neckline and all, but I believe the foil saver is not that much skin friendly. The quality is good, but it must be the skin friendly as well. If you see clearly, there is a red color rashes can be visible very easily. That is not a good sign about a trimmer. Now the thing is, do I recommend this trimmer or not? See, if you have budget below 1500 and if you are looking for a trimmer that can trim your beard, nose, plus they can also shape your neckline and all, on that case definitely you can buy this trimmer. If you have more budget, then I believe there is already better options available in the market. I hope you have found this video helpful. Then kindly hit the like button, and if you are planning to buy this trimmer, you can check the link given in the description section below. If you are new here, do subscribe it and also hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.